In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Glorious Model O software in just a few clicks. Now first, you just need to search for download Glorious Model O, and then you want to click on Legacy Software, the first website, which is the official website of Glorious. Now after that, you want to just scroll down a little bit. Just don't click on the first one, which is Glorious Core V1. Just scroll down and you will be able to find here Model O and Model D wired. Now just click on Model O wired software, which is exactly what we want. Just click on that. And then after that, you just need to wait for it to download. It's going to take a few seconds. After that, you want to click on Show in Folder. Now after you click on Show Folders, you just need to right click on it and then click on Extract All, and then click on Extract, and then here is the file. Now after you extract it, you want to click on the file. You will be able to find three different folders here. The first one is README. You just need to click on it, and then as you can see, it says here, before running Model O software, please install the firewall update first in one firewall update folder. So just do that. Just go to 01 firewall here, and then download and then install it here. Install the Glorious Model O here, and after that, you want to go back to software and then download and then install it on your laptop. Now that's exactly how you can do this. Just read these, which is the README file. Just read it, and then you will have all the instructions here. Very simple. So if this tutorial helped you, please drop a like. That would be highly appreciated. And if you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. See you in the next tutorial.